Hello, welcome to another Collections Index Web Edition tutorial video. Today we're looking at how you can find all of your records that contain validation errors, perhaps after a big data migration, and then how you can come up with a list to fix them. So we're going to run an advanced search, and we're going to search on the validation errors field. And then we're going to set the search parameter to is not empty. And this will return a result of all records that have something in the validation error field. In this case, you can see there are 83 records. So scroll down to the bottom of your search results and click on Analyze Records, like so. And then we're going to set validation errors again. That's what we want to analyze. And the column on the left shows us how many records are affected, and the column on the right shows us what the specific validation error is. So we can use this to form a to-do list by copying this to our clipboard. And then if we jump over to a spreadsheet, we can paste our list into the spreadsheet, and we can save this as a to-do list. And we can work through each of these validation errors in turn and sort of fix them and investigate them. So let's copy the first one to our clipboard. So we're just copying the whole term that sits in that column. And if we go back up to our advanced search, and we're going to do a new search now, we're still searching for validation errors, but this time we're going to set our parameter to contains. And we're going to put our term inside two quotation marks. So I'll just put those in and then paste into the middle of them. And just note we've got the quotation mark at the end and at the beginning, just to double check, which we do have. And then we're going to press search. And now we're just going to see those two records that have that specific error in their validation. And then we can view and edit these records, investigate the problem and sort it out before moving on to the next item on the list. So that's a quick look at how you can search for validation errors and come up with that to-do list. Join us again for more tutorials in the future. Thank you.